Today I'll be covering something quickly I'll basically be doing in a bigger video later on. So before I actually started doing SEO, I was quite into e-commerce. I was basically doing things like eBay selling. I basically was selling different things. For example, I was selling pool cues, sell video games, sell Mazuka honey, chocolates, and a few other things. That's something I was doing before I actually done any proper search engine optimization work. But because I started off doing it, I basically had quite a good grasp of e-commerce as a whole before I went into SEO stuff. So this basically means in quite a lot of cases I will understand how e-commerce works from an e-commerce perspective, pay per click, or SEO perspective, quite often better than quite a lot of people. So anyway, to talk about really what I'll be doing in the e-commerce video, the bigger one later on, I'll basically be giving some guidance of how exactly you can basically rank a site. For example, how would you say rank a product? How would you rank your category? How would you rank part of your site? For example, if you had say 10 parts to it, I'd basically explain potential ways you could rank up each of your 10 parts, how to connect it together, how to do interlinking, how to connect things together, how to try and get the best rank you can for your keyword or keyword phrases, how to basically target your brand name. For example, just for argument's sake, say your business was just called say shop man 1 2 3 4. I'd basically give some advice of how exactly you could potentially do that. For example, going with say branded URL link building to that, naked URLs, that kind of stuff. I'll basically be talking a bit of ways you can do that as ways you can potentially rank your e-commerce site. It is a bit different to the standard, sites people generally do, blogs, a health site, a sports site, that kind of stuff. It has different rules in place, and if you're doing different things, such as Magneto, Shopify, there is slight difference between it, depending, of course, how you want to set up your Magneto site, your Shopify, or if you're doing a Drupal style e-commerce site or something else. There is slight difference in it, so you have to be aware of these sort of things before you start doing link building, or if you're not aware of these sort of things, it is a good idea for you, whenever possible, to pay someone to check it over who has experience in this e-commerce platform if you've never done it before, so you get the best chance to rank your site as high as you want to, or your client, if you're offering SEO services to someone else. It is a good idea to get the guidance you may potentially need to allow you to rank more easy. Anyway, that's the video. Thanks, and have a good week.